In this video, I will show you how to find Telegram channels that you have left. So let's say this is the channel I ended up leaving. You don't even need to remember this link. It's okay. So I'll go ahead and leave this channel just to show this to you, demonstrate it. All right. Now, you come to Google and look for this website, TGStat. Okay. Let me change this to English, right? So go ahead and search up TGStat, come to this website, and all you need to do is come here and search for, right, calisthenics or something similar, right? As long as you remember the category, okay? So we'll do calisthenic. We'll just keep typing it out, calisthenics. So we see we're changing our search, and here, look at this, calisthenica. As you can see, I typed something vague and I saw what they were coming up with. And this is the exact channel. So I'm going to go ahead and join this one. And there you go. Really that easy and simple.